Let's make this keychain. You need bead, cord, scissor. Let's start with 3 beads. And then pull both ends of your cord through the third. Add 1 bead on each side and cross both of your cord through the third. Repeat this step again. Add 3 beads on one side of cord and cross your cord through the third. Repeat this step again. The next step is to pull this side of the cord through this previous bead. Add 1 bead to the other side and pull both ends through the second bead. Repeat this step again. Pull the left cord again to repeat next to it. Add 1 bead to the same cord and then pull both ends through another one like before. Add 2 beads to the coil on the bottom. And press both ends of your cords for third. Add 3 beads on one side of cord and cross your cord through the third. Repeat this step again. Now pass the cord from 2 beads. Add 1 bead to the same cord and make a knot. Follow the same process and make the second part of heart. Take a cord. Pass your card through the first bead. Add 1 more. And then back through the bead on the opposite side. From here, pass both ends of your card through the new bead. And then again pull the cord through the beads on the side. Just continue these 2 steps for the rest of the heart. Tada! Our heart is ready. Add a keyring. Final look of this keychain. Isn't it beautiful? Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel.